All right. Hey, we're back again. Thank you for coming back to our YouTube series, Rainbows for All. I'm here with you one more time, and we're still talking about light and you and light. Remember from our previous video, I was saying there is no life that doesn't have light. That is so true in terms of the human body. We are constantly taking in light directly from our eyes, but from our skin. We're constantly absorbing light. And the reason we have the capability to even take that light in is due to the fact that everything has some kind of pigmentation. For us, that's melanin. Melanin is what gives you the ability to take light in and send light off. Why is this important? Well, when it comes right down to it, like I said, everything has light. So all the things that we eat, all the things that we're around, we're vibrating with it because we ourselves are full of light. Again, our melanin gives us the capability to take light in and send light off. So at all times, we're resonating and we're vibrating with light. Again, this is tremendously important because at its base root, all the foods we eat will break down in our bodies to light. Yeah, everything breaks down to light. So essentially, we can say, the food that we're eating, the stuff that we're around, we're taking the essence of it, the life of it, the light of it. So when we eat watermelons and pomegranates, cherries, we're taking in that red light. When we eat bananas and pineapples and mangoes, we're taking in that yellow light. Those carrots, we're getting that orange light from the carrots. And there's nutrients in all these different colors. I'll go into that in another video. But it's important that you understand that because of the fact that you have pigmentation, you're taking in light. Because of that melanin, you're a light being. We are all light beings. And the behavior of light is to reflect and refract. So that means to take it in and send it off. If you study the history, if you study the behavior of light, that is, you'll see that it takes in more light and sends off more light. Us being melanated, us having pigmentation, we are light beings. So essentially, everything we do, we're taking in light and we're sending it off. And that's very important when it comes down to nutrition and it comes down to your mental, emotional state. It's very important to understand that light is what we take in from our food. Light is what we take in from each other. Light is what we take in from the environment. And we are able to do that because of our melanin. And there's different receptors in our endocrine system, our pituitary gland and our pineal gland. In particular, they are definitely taking the light in that comes from our eyes. So it's important to know that because when we take that light in from our eyes or when we take that light in from our food, different chemicals are made in our body. When you're looking at red, when you're looking at blue or green, different chemicals are going to be made by that pituitary gland. And those hormones are going to be dispersed throughout the body, just as if you were eating food. So that's the more powerful thing about understanding light, that at the base source of everything is light. Light is incorporated in everything. So at our base source, we are literally eating light, the light of the food that we take in. So next time you eat something, think about the light that you're taking in when you're eating it, because you and I and all of us are light beings. And the behavior of light is to reflect, to absorb, to take in, and send off. Okay?